Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the Galaxy S24 line storage options new details emerged on the network. According to the latest news, the new Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra base variants are to launch with 8GB of RAM and many other exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Famous tech insider ICE Universe has confirmed that the Galaxy S24 lineup will not get memory upgrade. The Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will get a max of 12GB with no 16GB variant inside for the latter, while the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra are slated to bring some exciting new upgrades, such as a 1440p screen for the Plus variant and a titanium frame for the Ultra model. Other aspects of the phone will be neglected. Prolific leaker ICE Universe has now revealed how much RAM each variant will get, and it's disappointing. The vanilla Galaxy S24 will be stuck with 8GB of RAM across the board. Thankfully, the Galaxy S24 Plus will arrive in 8GB and 12GB flavors, something that was already confirmed by an earlier Geekbench listing. Lastly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will sport an identical configuration and likely offer more internal storage than its predecessor. The lack of a 16GB variant of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is puzzling. Another leaker, TechRev, says that there was such a prototype in existence at one point. It may have gotten scrapped due to cost-cutting measures. Then again, 24GB of RAM memory becoming the norm among mid-range Chinese smartphones. So one can't help but wonder what's stopping Samsung from following suit. Nevertheless, the partly amount of system memory of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will significantly limit its ability to perform AI tasks on device, which are known to be notoriously memory heavy. Recent patterns suggested that Samsung is centering the Galaxy S24 lineup marketing around its AI capabilities. All of that may have to be offloaded to the cloud, just like Google does with the Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. But once again, to be sure, we will have to wait until the officialization of this new model and its little brothers, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus by Samsung. The next flagships of South Korean brand should arrive at the start of 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.